In this lesson, we are going to add React Bootstrap as UI framework to the React application. Source code of this lesson is here. By going to commit section, find video 6, add Bootstrap, and compare your code with mine. Here is the React Bootstrap website, and by clicking on Get Started, we install React Bootstrap and Bootstrap package. Just copy the command here and go back to VS Code. Click on New Terminal, go to Frontend folder, paste the command to install React Bootstrap and Bootstrap package from npm. After installing packages, it's time to go to the main.tsx. Press Command P on Mac or Control P on Windows and type main to find main.tsx. Then import Bootstrap CSS in the import section. After React DOM import, I import bootstrap /dist/css/ bootstrap.mean.css. It automatically gets this CSS from node module folder. By adding this setting, we are ready to use React Bootstrap component. But how we can find them? Just go to the website, click on the components, and there we are. Here we have list of all components. For this project, we are going to create navigation menu. Go to app.tsx, and for the first div, set class name to display flex. D-flex is a class from Bootstrap that make the div display to flex, and set flex direction to flex column. Also, we need to make this div full height. So I set height to full. Then get rid of app.css and React logo, and also use a state. We don't need it here, and use a state at the beginning of this component. Then go to app.css. At the very end, copy product image and go to index.css. Paste it at the very end. Then find app.css in the Explorer and delete it. Move to trash. Get rid of all classes inside index.css and only keep the first one. And for the root element, get rid of all CSS and just keep the font family and other classes that you have here. Save the code, go back to app.tsx, save the code here, and check the result. Here is the result. Let's go for adding header. For the class name, instead of h full, make it viewport height to 100 to make this div full height. Let's go for the header. In the header, we're gonna define navigation bar. In React Bootstrap, we use nav bar. As you see, we have auto completion. Press tab to import nav bar. And for properties, set BG to dark, background color to dark, set variant to dark, and set expand to large. So it's gonna expand on larger screen. Inside that, define a container. Container is another component from React Bootstrap. And inside the container, define navbar.brand. Navbar.brand with capital B. Set it to Amazona. Set the title. Set the brand name to whatever you like. I make it TS Amazona. Let's check the result. Awesome. Here we created a dark header and the title is TS Amazona. Let's add some menu on the right side. Set nav, import nav from React Bootstrap, and inside nav, define anchor, set href to /cart for cart, and another link for login. Set it to /sign-in. Sign, set the class name to navlink for both of them, and there we are. We created links on the right side. For the footer section, I just wrap it inside a div, create a div, and move all rights reserved inside the div. Set the class name to text center. It comes from React Bootstrap to put stuff in the center. By checking the result at the very end, we have all right reserved in the center of a screen. It's time to go for the main section. Inside the main section, wrap the UL inside a container to set margin and padding for the content inside it, and move it inside that, and create margin from top by setting class name to margin top 3. Here is the result. We have space from top, and also we have padding from left and right. To put stuff next to each other, I'm going to use row and column. So instead of UL, replace it with row. It comes from the React Bootstrap, Control Space or Control I on it to get the recommendation, and import it from React Bootstrap. Make it closing, save the code, and replace li with call. Call another component from React Bootstrap. Press tab to import from React Bootstrap, and there we are. We have row and call from React Bootstrap. By having this change, let's check the result. Here stuff are next to each other. If I make the window small, I right click and select inspect and click on toggle device toolbar. It's not what we want. We are going to put one item at a time. To get this point, inside the call, set SM to 6. So for a smaller screen, we have 2 items in a row because we have 12 sections, and in a smaller screen, each call occupy 6 sections. So we have 2 items in a row. For medium device, we have 3 items, and for large device, we have 4 items. I just divide 12 by this value. Save the code. Much better. This is super small screen XS. It occupy the whole width. And if I make the window bigger, in a smaller screen, I have 2 items in a row. In medium screen and in large screen, it's 4 items. As you see, by adding React Bootstrap without any CSS, we created a beautiful header, content, and footer. Let's review what we did in this lesson. In the package.json, we added React Bootstrap and Bootstrap package. In app.tsx, we converted simple HTML elements to the React Bootstrap components. In index.css, we removed extra CSS classes. And in the main.tsx, we imported Bootstrap CSS. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.